internet, or more likely, maybe just Manate, or more likely than that, my future self. Hello, future self. It's been a long time since I've made a YouTube, and because it is fun to look back on what's going on in my life and stuff, I thought I would make one for posterity. Anyways, it's a YouTube classic. It's a Boxycharm unboxing. There's other more interesting stuff happening in my life, but this is a very accessible format to follow. Full disclosure, I already opened this in the car. So it's not a totally blind unboxing, but I had to see, was it stuff that I bought off the drop shop, or was it my December box, which is my second box. So this is my second Boxycharm box, my December box. Let's see what's in it. So here we go, the information card. Yeah, which has everything. So first things first, I got this Elginist Triple LGI Renewal Balm, which was the thing I chose. So that was my Boxycharm choice. I like eye creams, so unless it's burny, I'm happy with it. Some eye creams are burny. My eye area is very sensitive. I get really bad eczema around my eyes and mouth. So hopefully it's not. Yeah, that's all right. So according to Boxycharm, these have a $24 value. I wonder what the difference is between these ones and the one I bought at the dollar store. This isn't something I would ever spend money on like an eye cream. So it's hard for me to value it at $24 US. Okay. So this is by Studio Makeup, and I have been getting stuff from them in other subscriptions, like Ipsy recently. I got a blush by them, was good. I ordered an eyebrow pencil by them that I never got from Ipsy. So this is a serum. What are the ingredients? It's just a very simple hyaluronic acid serum with not a bunch of ingredients. So that's fine. Simple, good. They are valuing it at $45. Yeah, serums are expensive. Happy with that. So like that's good of Boxycharm. Ooh, what's this? Okay, I never buy eyeshadow palettes. I've never bought an eyeshadow ever. Like of my own. Gone into a shop and bought one. They always come as a free gift with another purchase or in subscription boxes. So even though I've never bought a single eyeshadow palette in my life, I've got plenty. And I'm not usually very excited about them. But I will say this is pretty fun. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this. It has a lot of colors that I like, including a couple colors that I don't have anything like it. So like this coppery color, I don't have anything like. Same with that. I don't really have anything like that. I love this kind of like sparkly beige pink. That's a great neutral base. Golds I always use. And it's fun. I like the gimmick. Okay, last thing in my Boxycharm. Luna liner, water resistant liquid eyeliner. So realistically, I'm probably never going to use that because I wear these magnetic lashes. If I wear eyeliner, I wear the magnetic eyeliner. So probably going to give that away. So of the 5 items, I like this. I like the serum. I like the eye cream. You know, as much as I can like an eye cream without testing it. But as you can see, pretty small. Oh. It's very thick. So, you know, these Boxycharm boxes, they cost like 30 bucks. Yeah. It's okay. I am in Canada right now, obviously. You can't get Boxycharm delivered to Tanzania. And I subscribe to a bunch of beauty boxes because it's a good way to get cheaper skincare. So, like, just this is more than the cost of the box. And it's nice to take this kind of stuff back to Tanzania where it's a lot harder to find. And I can always give away the stuff that I don't like. So I subscribed to FabFitFun and then unsubscribed after my first box because I didn't like it that much, though I got a cool bag in there. I subscribed to Ipsy, which I like because it's samples and I get cool stuff and learn about products that I wouldn't otherwise learn about. And I subscribed to Boxycharm and then I did unsubscribe, so this will be my last box from them. Because you know, how much stuff do I need? It's enough. It's enough stuff. And yeah, so that's my Boxycharm unboxing, classic YouTube thing, because I wanted to make a YouTube video so that I can remember myself as I am right now. And yeah, life is going good. How do I